In this video, we'll be replacing the belt tensioner on this 2007 Mazda CX-9. So we're going to start by removing our engine cover. To do that, we're going to remove our oil cap. Just turn that, spin that right out, and set that aside for a minute. We're going to grab a hold of our engine cover. We have 3 points of contact, one in the bottom front and 2 in the back. So we're going to grab a hold of this and pull straight up. And we can set the engine cover aside. And we'll take our oil fill cap and just put that back on to make sure nothing falls in there by accident. So we're going to take our Serpentine belt tool, I'll lower it down, and we have to get it into the belt tensioner. Once we have our tool into the belt tensioner, I'm going to pull to the front of the vehicle. That'll release tension on our belt, which will then allow us to take it off of the alternator. Okay. Now have our belt off of the alternator, which means when we release this, our tensioner now has no tension on the belt or anything. So now we can take out our bolts nice and easy. So now to gain a little bit more access in that area there, a little bit more visual access from the passenger side, we're going to remove our coolant reservoir here. You can see we have a line here. It's clipped into the front. Just going to use a pair of panel tools, pop this clip up, and remove that line. Now if we follow that line back, we have 3 10mm bolts holding this reservoir in place. We'll remove those. Now once we have the reservoir bolts removed, we just take this whole system here and just swing it up and over and rest it right on the valve cover. Now again, if you have coolant in this system, be very careful. Try and keep this in an upward position where it's not leaking out. Unfortunately, or fortunately for us, ours is empty, so we can rest this right here. Now we have a couple of bolts on our tensioner. They're going to be 8mm. So now we're going to take our belt tensioner, lower it down into place. Now, to lower it down into place, you can see we're stuck here on the head. If you come in just above your alternator, you can get it back in that little opening down there. Now what we're going to do is line up our center bolt first. Get that in a few threads. All right, now we can come in and get our other bolts lined up. Okay, now that we have 2 out of the 3, our third one in the back should be pretty well lined up. To make sure of that, we'll get these 2 snugged up most of the way. And now we can put our third bolt in. So now what we're going to do here is get these bolts as tight as we can. Okay, so now what we need to do is get our tool on the belt tensioner. And open up our tensioner, and then we can get our belt back into the compressor, the AC compressor at the very bottom, as well as our alternator up top here. All right, so with our tool on the tensioner, we're going to reach down and grab our belt. We're going to pull it up as much as we can. Now, the fact that we can actually get it on top of our alternator right now tells us that we're not on our compressor down the bottom. So we're going to have to drop this belt down and realign it onto the compressor. Okay, once you have your belt onto the compressor down the bottom, you can go ahead, put it on our alternator, and release tension on your belt tensioner. Once you've done that, go ahead and remove your tool. So now that we're done with our tensioner and getting in this area here, we can reinstall our reservoir. Put it back in place and reinstall our 3 bolts. And we follow our line here and put our clip back on up top. Push in. All right, so now we can put our engine cover back in place. To do that, take off our oil fill cap, set that aside, and easiest thing to do here to find those pins is locate your oil fill cap hole. Give it a little rock back and forth. You should find the pins. You have 1 down the corner, 2 up top. Press the 1 down the corner in, and then give it a nice little tap up top. Make sure those are seated in. Once you're done with that, go ahead and replace your oil fill cap. That's it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.